This is Metrum Eco Ion Chromatograph. Today we will show you how to replacement with shine suppressor and column. We need prepare an external power supply and an suppressor and column. Replace the column first. And then reconnection shine column. Be careful about the flow path. From the column outlet, we need connection suppressor element in. Not having a chip does not affect its use. And then next side connecting the suppressor element in. Element out connection to detector inlet. From the detector outlet, we need connection back to regon in. Suppressor regon in. And last one is connection the waste liquid pipeline. OK, suppressor and the column connection finish. Next step about the power cable of the suppressor. We need connection. Our external pipeline. Other side of the cable. We need connection the external power supply. The right side is positive electrode, marked in red. The other side we connection to the negative position. OK, power supply connection finish. Then we need put inside the suppressor and the column. Then we can set the current for the suppressor. If using the power supply first time, the power cord cannot be connected. Then we power on. Right now it's setting the constant current. We turn this knob clockwise to make the CV light up green. It will change to constant voltage. Then we can set this voltage to 24 because the suppressor voltage is 24. OK, and then we need powered off this power supply. Next step is connection. The cable of the suppressor. This one is positive end. Next side is negative. And then we need connection. The suppressor. Power cable. And then power on it. Quickly adjust for the knob on the right. The left knob allows for precise adjustment of numerical values, so it can continue to supply power to the suppressor.